Good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is Monday and we are just tidying up. The kids have had breakfast and they've also played a little bit and things like that. So right now I'm getting them to just clean up after themselves. Issa's not doing very well, Elisa's doing very good.
Mummy!
Yeah?
Look! Mummy, I did it!
Oh, what about these ones?
Oh.
Good job. But yeah, the plan, we don't really have a plan for today, but I do want to clean under the sofas and mop the floor in this room. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's what I'm planning to do. Yeah?
I did it.
Well done. What I'm going to do is try and start them on some activities and then come in here and do under the sofas and stuff, because I know that it's really gross under there. So that's what is gonna happen. It's the first Monday where no one is at school, everyone is at home homeschooling. So I'm on Instagram looking at people's homeschooling bits and pieces, and it's really interesting. Also, if you know people who are not taking this coronavirus seriously, then you need to like talk to them, have a word and say stay at home unless you really need to go out, because honestly it's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's scary. People are dying. Like, how can you not take that seriously? That's what's confusing me. Yeah. Also, I did 2 workouts yesterday. I did one weight one and one like 10-minute fat burn one. And the fat burn one, you do it every day for 7 days. It's a 10-minute workout, so it don't take long. I've been doing that and I'm gonna try and stick to it, because I find it hard sticking to things. So I'm gonna see if I can do that and let you know how much I've lost. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Trying to get on with the day, do some bits and pieces. I don't know. What do you think?
I win.
Really? It is a beautiful day today, so the kids have just come outside to have a little play while the sun's out and it's
Mommy,
nice and beautiful.
I wanna be on this vlog.
You want to be?
Yeah. Mom, stay with me, please.
In a minute, wait. I thought I might as well bring them out while the sun's out and it's a beautiful day. It's not that cold as well, so that's good. So we've come inside and Issa is distracted in the other room. He's playing on the cushions and he's playing by himself with toys and stuff. And me and Elisa are now going to do some writing practice. We're going to do some letters. Yes, baby? That is perfect. Well done. Look at you.
Mom, you didn't watch me.
Okay, I'll watch you. Issa's joined us now and he's doing some colouring. I've given him 2 crayons because I don't trust him with crayons.
Issa said Mama.
So when we're doing these activities, Issa just comes and goes and just does whatever he wants to do. Unless we're doing like an activity that he can really fully get involved in, like playing with trains or cars or something. Very good, well done. She's on K now. Go on then, carry on. Show us how good you are doing the big one.
The biggest patty?
So it's a little bit later, it's just gone 12 o'clock. I've just made the kids some noodles for lunch, which is cooling down, and then they're gonna have that while I tackle this kitchen. Yesterday I didn't clean the kitchen in the evening, so this is all piled up. Oh my god, don't be disgusted in me, please. Don't hate me for being such a tramp, but it's just life, guys. Sometimes that happens. Washing machine is nearly done for the cushions, so I'm gonna put them to dry for a little while and then put them back on the sofa. And yeah, that's what's going on. I just don't even know, like, you know when you just look at mess and you're just like, I can't bother to clean this up. This is all clean up to here, and then that's all dirty, so I need to put all the clean stuff away and probably sort out the worktops first so I don't miss any washing up, and I've got somewhere to put all the clean stuff. Let's just do this. Let's do it. No messing about, let's just do it, okay? Is this going to be another speed clean video? I think so. the kids are just having a snack, cheese and crackers, and watching some TV. So while the kids are distracted, I'm going to prepare dinner, which is going to be homemade pizzas today. I've got some quinoa left over from yesterday, which I'm going to put on my pizza, and the kids are going to have just cheese. So I'm going to make the dough now. Elisa's going to help me. So let's go. So we have done a bit of the dough. We haven't finished doing it yet. This is what we've got so far. This is just the yeast, which we need to leave for a couple of minutes, and then we've got olive oil and salt to add to it. We're using this recipe on Pinterest because it's a fast one. It's like 15 minutes to make, so I'm going to do that.
I showed him my plate. Do you like my plate?
It's not a plait, it's a bun.
Do you like my bun? Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. One a penny out.
Oh, are you okay?
One a penny to a penny hot bun.
We have made a tomato pizza sauce, and I've literally just put in tomato puree, a little bit of ketchup and some passata. I've put some mixed herbs, a little bit of dried mint and salt and pepper, and that is it. Oh, and garlic too, garlic. And that's it. And it's delicious.
Mommy.
Yeah. This is our yeast. I don't know why it's not foaming how it should or whatever it's doing. But I feel like it's acting like it's out of date, but it's not out of date. It's out of date at the end of this year. So I don't know why it's doing this. Oh yeah, it's got a bubble. So anyway, we're just going to carry on with the dough because it has been like 5-10 minutes now.
Mommy, I'm doing.
What are we going to do now? What do we need to add to this? Remember what we put in that little bowl? We've got some salt and olive oil in here. So Elisa's going to add that now.
Pour it.
All the salt's still in there.
Because it looks a bit.
Yes, we can. Get that spatula, the white spatula from behind you.
This one.
Yeah. Now that that is nicely mixed together, we are going to add some flour and just mix it until it's ready.
Well, I'm gonna mix that all.
Go for it. I'm just doing it by eye. It tells you to add 2.5 cups, but I feel like I will know when it's done. I never follow recipes properly. I'm using one from Pinterest, which I will link below if it's a good recipe.
You always say food. Yay! No.
This is how it's looking so far.
Well,
Elisa's doing a great job mixing there.
it looks like a poo still.
She keeps saying it looks like a poo, and when we were making the sauce, she was going, the tomato puree looks like a poo, and we squished it in and the ketchup looks like a poo. She's so rude. You shouldn't say things like that about food, you know.
Why?
Because it's rude.
That sauce is brown.
No, it's not.
Yes,
That's not brown.
Look,
That's red.
brown.
It's red. She's really getting in there with her hands now. Looks so good, baby. Well done.
It looks so funny.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yes, she did. So the pizza dough is all done. As you just saw, we were just chilling in there. The pizza dough is here. And apparently it takes 10 minutes, and they said to leave it longer for a better flavour. So I'm going to leave it until I've cleaned up this living room because it is not looking very pretty right now. So I'm going to have to clean that up, and then we'll get making the actual pizza. So let's go. Who wants to help me clean up? So it is a bit later. The kids are in bed. Yes. Made myself a cup of tea. Yep. Using Issa's high chair, which has not been wiped down, as a table. And oh, also I did a weights workout just before I made a cup of tea. So I'm feeling good. Feeling good. My arms feel dead, but I feel good. I'm so excited because EastEnders is on tonight. One of the things that I've been so sad about is the fact that EastEnders is not been on the TV, and it's making me so emotional. But it's on today and tomorrow, so Mondays and Tuesdays are going to be my favourite days of the week. But anyway, I'm going to go and watch that. I hope you're all doing well. Keep safe, stay at home, stay inside, don't go anywhere unless you really, really need to. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!